So the next function is COUNTIF function. So the COUNTIF function is used to count the number of cells in a range based on a criteria. Now suppose if in this table, if you want to find the number of cells that contains the car type Toyota, then you can easily do it with the help of COUNTIF function. So let me show you how to do it. So in this cell, I will type the car name or the criteria, and in this cell, I will type the COUNTIF function. So let me type the car name first. And now I will type the COUNTIF function. So just type equal to COUNTIF parenthesis, and now you have to select the range of cells. So this is our range of cells. Now give comma, and now you have to select the criteria. So the criteria is Toyota. So just select this cell. Now type closing parenthesis and now hit enter. So it is showing the result 2, and you can clearly see in this range of cells that there are 2 cells that contains the car type Toyota. So the first one is this one and the second one is this one. Now if you want to see the number of cells that contains the car type Honda, then you just have to change the criteria here. So just change it to Honda. And you can see that it is showing the result 3. And you can clearly see that in this range of cells, there are 3 cells that contains the car type Honda. So the first one is this one, second one is this one, and the third one is this one. So likewise you can count the number of cells for the other car also. So this is how you can use the COUNTIF function.